This video is brought to you by CA Plus, Canada's premier end-to-end solution provider.
One of the greatest myths of our time, and a reason given by some clients as justification to stay on Accpac Plus rather than moving to Sage Accpac, is that Accpac Plus is just faster. In this video, we set out to totally debunk that myth. You'll see a trained operator navigate through 3 common transaction entry scenarios, indeed the ones frequently cited as being faster under DOS, and we'll prove that this myth is totally busted. Let's begin with OE. The top of the screen shows us the Sage Accpac order entry system and the steps taken to enter a simple order. The bottom of the screen shows us the exact same order being placed, the same part numbers and indeed the same customers, but being put into Accpac Plus. In both cases, Sage Accpac and Accpac Plus, we're using a highly skilled operator taking advantage of keyboard shortcuts and function keys. Of course, the Sage Accpac system offers many more features and functions than Plus. We're not going to go into those details here. Sole purpose of this split screen demonstration is to show you how long it takes to go through the steps of placing and posting an order entry transaction in each system. As you can see, we're already done on the Sage Accpac side, but due to the extra steps and keystrokes on the Accpac Plus side, the bottom of the screen, we're just not quite done yet. We'll be a couple more seconds. So there we go. The screen most frequently cited as supporting the Plus is faster myth, order entry, totally busted to the tune of 43.5%.
Now let's turn to the general ledger. Here's another area where the Accpac Plus is faster myth seems to turn up occasionally. Let's see if we can debunk another myth. We'll watch the same skilled operator enter an identical journal entry in both Sage Accpac ERP and Accpac Plus. Keep in mind that for purposes of this demonstration, we are only focused on data entry speed. If we were to compare all of the tasks that are performed in the general ledger, we know that features in Sage Accpac, like macros, drill downs, and multi-year comparisons, are significant improvements that not only save time, but also help you get a better handle on your business. We also want to remind you that there are a number of settings that you can change to make sure that the information you need is captured and that you are able to perform tasks in the most efficient way for your business. It looks like our operator is hitting the home stretch. Let's print the report to screen and we are finished. Sage Accpac ERP wins by a nose. We'll wait for the Plus entry to be complete before we can send another myth the way of the unicorn. So there you have it, folks. The numbers say it all. Sage Accpac ERP is faster by 15% when it comes to entering a journal entry.
Now that we have debunked the myth that Accpac Plus is a faster transaction processing system for order entry and journal entry transactions, our focus turns to yet another area where Accpac Plus is believed to be faster: accounts payable invoice and payment processing. For companies that receive hundreds of accounts payable invoices a month, this factor can play a very important role. Let's see how the two systems execute this transaction cycle. In this case, we'll watch the same skilled operator capture an identical accounts payable invoice in Sage Accpac ERP and Accpac Plus systems. We'll then post the transaction, print its posting journal, utilize the payment control function in the accounts payable module, and finally print a check against the earlier entered invoice. Accounts payable and other subledger module transactions in Sage Accpac ERP are designed to not only make the lives of heads-down data entry operators easier, but also to empower the information-savvy managers and decision makers by allowing users to capture additional business information at the transaction entry level in user-defined fields. This additional business information flows through the entire ERP system down to the general ledger level, providing you an ability to produce income statements and other profitability analysis by project, customer, vendor, product line, geographical location, salesperson, or any other user-defined analysis field that fits your operations. Important thing is that Sage Accpac ERP application adapts to your business and not vice versa. It seems our operator has already printed check in Sage Accpac, once again proving that Accpac Plus is not faster. In fact, this DOS-based system using character-based user interface is not only slow but also lacks the ability to automate your business. For sure, this yesterday's application cannot be the key to your organization's future. Sage Accpac and its end-to-end business management applications can make your business competitive, faster, and with ease.